Folks, the action continues right here on
Winners Club, dude!
That was pretty good.
Shit, man! Ooh, yeah!
Well, I'm clearly being joined now by Rob McKnight and Casanova Valentine, known as GUNK.
And everyone knows what GUNK stands for. Generous uncles nurturing.
Hold on. I got a big announcement here at Championship Wrestling from... It's my dog's birthday. Happy birthday, Duquette. I know you're out there watching, buddy.
Well, happy birthday to your dog. In any case, you guys got another big win here. What is the plan? What's your strategy to keep getting these wins?
Game plan?
We're gonna win, dude.
Winning!
Yeah, we're gonna keep doing that.
Just keep winning! We won! Keep winning! That's what we're gonna do! Keep winning! GUNK! 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 Hey, man, happy birthday, dude!
Happy birthday. TK, Christian Cole, back to you guys.